You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. Yes, I know the spelling makes it very confusing. If you want to learn, by the way, more medical terms, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. You'll learn a lot. So let's break it down. Genitourinary. Essentially, consider those as two different words. Genito and then urinary. All right, makes it a lot more straightforward, because otherwise it's like genitourinary, genitourinary. Easy. Once you do that, it's easy. Genitourinary. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.